Okay, everybody, welcome to Sway Markets. What you want to do first is you're going to create an account, open a real account. You're going to do live ECN account. Currency, of course, USD if United States or whatever currency you have. Leverage 1 to 500. Terms, conditions, create account. It's that simple. Then you want to make a deposit. All right, you want to deposit either Bitcoin, USDT, TRX, or Ethereum, or USDT, ETH. All right, I recommend Bitcoin. Just gonna hit confirm. You can either take it to your wallet here or directly to your account. All right, you choose the account that you have. These are my accounts. I'll choose the live ECN account. Put in how much you want to put in and the currency, USD. Click continue. All right. Yes, unless you want to confirm everything, you will get 500 USD. You confirm it. Hit confirm. All right. From there, it's going to take you to the payments page. All right. It's your payment provider. It's waiting for the money. Now you want to go to whatever wallet you're using to send crypto. All right. Want to send crypto. All right. It's going to tell you right here, and you're going to click continue. And that's your code right there, or the wallet address. You can copy it right here, or you can scan it. Okay, you must use, you either use the scanner or the code. If you send in Bitcoin, you want to send Bitcoin. If you send in USDT, you want to send USDT. All right, but this is from here. And once you pay it, it'll automatically update. And that's how you put money into your account.